Today, we are going to look at a classic tangent line problem involving a cubic function that passes through the origin. Suppose we have a cubic function of the form f of x equals x cubed plus a times x squared plus b times x. Here, the leading coefficient is 1, and the constant term is 0, so the graph passes through the origin. The question we want to answer is this. If we draw tangent lines from the origin to this cubic curve, what are the slopes of those tangent lines? Can we find a general formula? And then, how can we apply this result to a specific example? Let's begin. First, imagine the tangent touches the curve at some point where the x-coordinate is t. Then the point on the curve is t, f of t, the line through the origin, and this point has slope equal to f of t divided by t. Since f of t is t cubed plus at squared plus bt, dividing by t gives us the slope as t squared plus at plus b. Now, for this line to be a tangent at that point, its slope must also match the derivative of the function at x equals e. The derivative of f of x is 3x squared plus 2ax plus b. So at x equals t, the slope from the derivative is 3t squared plus 2at plus b. Therefore, the condition for tangency is that t squared plus at plus b must equal 3t squared plus 2at plus b. Simplifying, we subtract the left side from the right side, and we get 2t squared plus at equals 0. Factoring, this gives t times the quantity 2t plus a equals 0. So there are two possible values of t that give tangency, either t equals 0 or t equals negative a over 2. Now, here's an important shortcut to notice. Whenever the tangent line is at the origin itself, the slope is simply equal to the coefficient of the linear term, in other words, b. This fact can save you some time when solving problems of this type. If t equals negative a over 2, then the slope is given by the line through the origin and that point. That slope is t squared plus a t plus b. Substituting negative a over 2, we get a squared over 4 minus a squared over 2 plus b. That simplifies to b minus a squared over 4. So in general, the two slopes of tangent lines from the origin to this cubic function are b, and b minus a squared over 4. Now let's apply this general formula to a specific example. Take the function f of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x. Here a is negative 2 and b is 3. The first slope is just b, which is 3. The second slope is b minus a squared over 4. That is 3 minus the square of negative 2 over 4. Negative 2 squared is 4, divided by 4 gives 1, so we have 3 minus 1, which is 2. Therefore, the two tangent slopes from the origin are 3 and 2. Finally, the product of these two slopes is 3 times 2, which equals 6. So to summarize, in general, the slopes of tangent lines from the origin to the cubic function x cubed plus ax squared plus bx are b, and b minus a squared over 4. And in the specific case of x cubed minus 2, x squared plus 3x, the slopes are 3 and 2, and their product is 6.